2020 has been a difficult year for so many, with the number of people facing food insecurity in the US nearly doubling since the start of the pandemic. At HelloFresh, we believe that everyone deserves access to fresh food, which is why we're as committed as ever to helping in the fight against food insecurity. In 2020, we've already donated 4 million meals. And with our newest program, LimeAid, we want you to help us pay it forward. It's simple. Just nominate a friend in need and enter them for a chance to receive one of 2 6-month HelloFresh subscriptions. That's fresh, delicious ingredients delivered right to their door, contact-free. All you need to do is fill out the LimeAid nomination form. Let us know why you're nominating them, and we'll take care of the rest. Because we know sometimes a meal can mean the world.